This is Lizzie's introduction to Colorado. And this is where she is. Do you want to tell them what you're looking at?
We're looking at Red Deer Lake, ladies and gentlemen. It's a beautiful
Oh, there it is.
lake, surrounded by trees and beautiful clouds.
And
Waterfalls.
waterfalls. We had to cross that just now and it was really sketchy because we thought we were just going to take a slide right down in there. But it's really pretty. It said it was 2 miles, but I feel like it was 7. How many miles do you feel like it was, Nick?
4.
So, yep, we're here. And it's beautiful. It looks like it just stops right there. So, pretty place.
It looks like one of those pools.
It looks like what? He said it looks like one of those pools. Nick's gonna get a drink. Oh yeah. Look at that view. Oh. So.
Oh, that's so cold.
It's so cold. Was it the best water you've ever had? I want some.
Anything you can buy at the store.